At a meeting convened by the leader of the United Democratic Front of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, PYNSHNGAIN SYIEM, a decision was held on the incident that had taken place on the 26th of July 2021 at the border area of ASSAM in BHOI district, where the manhandling of the MDC of MAWHATI constituency, Charles MARNGAR, by the Assam police was witnessed. It may be reminded that during the incident, villagers of the area had opposed the Assam police forces' uprooting of the electricity poles erected by the MEECL on the Meghalaya side of the border, and this had resulted in clashes between the two sides. Speaking during the press briefing, PYNSHNGAIN SYIEM expressed his disappointment and dissatisfaction at the reaction of the Meghalaya government on the incident and Assam government's high-handedness on the residents of Meghalaya. SYIEM added that the UDF would request the CEM of the Khadc for an All-Mdc meeting to be convened soon, and also for a visit of the MDCs to the border to take stock of the areas belonging to Meghalaya and falling under the jurisdiction of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council.
Sini nagalang jongi ngasim da kawai jemut balora halor kani ke jingjia wa yong kuli ngin ya kendu usia ulum karki ya ka all MDC meeting banya discuss halor kani ke jingjia wa yong kuli tabala tak sisa na ke benta jongi barok di MDC bani ui ke jilak don bor jongi plate Assam baru kalong kaji ikut pi kalong ba nagalang jongi ke district council nagalang jongi di MDC berti 5 nasional berada ke korbannya dari nilai saya sport nak benda ban pentingnya yang perusam tamde syuk tang ban sulit untuk tam kenu kajing pensisya adi bandar kajing pensisya nang ba hanyarap ini bagi claim ni ka tri juga kat pun di dulen ba sistem ini kalau sebelum kalau kajing kia menin kesini kalau kani ke baru sikata lada ka sarkar Assam kasna yang surat bat yang ki bayadai berka development juga baru di juritnya ndak ba ong ba kadon ka agreement but ailat yang kino di bayadai berka roi ka pa hane ka basu lo pada ka long ba ada ka Meghalaya jungi kawan ra iki lat penro yang di wasam murmur wan ban pa wen no sendon iki musik ting di hamni ngai ba ka jin ka bu juga sarkar Assam ya ka jing tulot jonga Meghalaya.
Speaking to the media on the incident, the MDC of MAWHATI, Charles MARNGAR, stated that he was disappointed at how he was manhandled by the Assam police while he was trying to stand guard against their atrocities during the incident at iONGKHULI-KILLING that solely belongs to the state of Meghalaya. Charles MARNGAR also informed that after having witnessed the intensity of the situation, he had immediately reported the same to the Deputy Commissioner and Superintendent of Police BHOI District, and also to the Deputy Chief Minister of the state, Prestun Tensong, whose reaction was not prompt or satisfactory. In fact, Marngar added that he was disappointed at the treatment meted out to him by the Meghalaya police, who did not even bother to talk to him. Charles Marngar thanked the residents of the villages who had stood firm to defend their land despite no support from the Meghalaya government's end.
Kapan ketang yang kabang UI ya kejing kelon kejong electricity pole harga tu ko persang ban yang tu jaka mar ba kumul ong menin pangasuthu sai baga jaka ke bagi kajam nin kadi purely Meghalaya kamdei ka disputed ban ngadon ki kot kislaru ban proof aga ban agalian jong SYIEM jong karaj marwet menin lapan kejing sisana overfight pan nilapa ketu ke jaka ke ba mangi ngidan menen kham shakmat susu tu ke jaka ru kedai ke jaka jong ke jalan ke ya ke jong iklong ke ege basungsi ba kumalaya kren shakmat nimdan kaman pawa la pentip EDC la pentip USP jong gari boy ke jong i wong ban ngidan conference video conference amtip kon video conference tentang covid na gumno amtip ke wong man pha do additional SP ndai additional SP ru udang poi hadu kopor sauduna baru SP lilai poi hadu kopor saudu long ke ege susi mana kalian jonga ngapandam juri kini baru tangga ta ndai kawai kabangadon ke jing sngow na de kabangadon ke du ke jaka i kumba ke police department ke jongi kamle kale kum manru ban kran yang ngamle ran ban kran yang kita ngamrit ban kran yang jisha namar bangalamat dal dehi barga kham susi kalong ba nagaliang jong SP shigen tin ruem banong yang ini senran lang no banwan na kati jaka lese ter kalong tang nong poro dari susi kalong ba ayat tang mga berupara jonga banyak ika kali marwai on pai ni kati jaka tigini ki ai ka ap ke jingma tendai ngai de kwa men pau ni ayat ka tu ko poro dak mesim ka bangatip bauti na jrong nomino ena bangatip baga jing em ni kam shong ka ti jono ka jing em ka shong ka ti jong nong bu nong thau ai nu yo blai ba ki ba men ka sing dan ko no ka jing sau ba la ka don ka jing shatan ka jing sha push yang tu ko por kam dan ko no ka jing sau so ban ai ku blai ro iki pai ba no snong jo ka snong yang kuli hilong kami kira dau ding menilai persya iki kulit asam nrei kat mana kaliang juga sarkar ke jongi dan itu dengan susiro ban itu ipi ni ko por ndai banga kan tho ndai ngakre ni jing sisa aga ba menen ngalafun dalade aga por live je san minute la call you deputy chief minister jong ke jela ke jongi ba preston so la response ya ke call ke jonga ba ngalai thu i ke jingja bi clear adin kata yang phone UCM ro jong ke district council ke jongi dari dia ke por live je arp sam minute na call bang biang yo deputy chief minister jongi response ya ke call ban hado mentah ni amyo kono ko call lele ya kata dari sukuman dengan perlu ke jongi ba kum MDC nga so dei ba ya kini ke kam ke ba lagi perlu MDC namar ba ke jaka ko puta ke di jongi ke schedule area ke di hub council ke jongi ke jurisdiction juga council ke jongi perlu ke MDC la simkia ini but ye kini ke kam ni saya yang ba juga district council kum dukhat juga council but nang ni naga council ke ai ke bangi di ban le state government ba nagaleng juga simat lapan kre haga bede bagi jingtho so chief minister ro jong jela ke jongi haga bede bat kini ke kam ke badan ta khmat